guys, welcome back to another video of trying to keep track of my Lego. Today we're going to build the Speed Champions Cash App Visa F1 car. So 248 pieces. Well, let's get it going. This set has 6 bags. And an 89 page manual. So we can get building. Oh, pieces all over the place. Gotta get a proper bowl. Plate to build. Of course, we have our little minifig, complete with a helmet, that we build first. Okay, we're at the end of bag 1 and 2. It's got the little steering wheel, the back seat. Kind of almost looking like a car. So let's get on to 3 and 4. Well, it's the end of bag 3 and 4. Yeah, it's looking like a car. Pretty soon we go zoom zoom. A lot of stickers on this. A lot of stickers. Whew. Let's get into bag 5 and 6. Last 2 bags. There's the 4th in my Lego collection. The Lego Speed Champions Visa Cash App car.